Welcome to Cooking with Crinkle, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for little when you can spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to cook Copycat Panera bread mac and cheese. To a pot we're going to add two quarts of water. I'd say I would add salt until my ancestors told me to stop, but my ancestors would have cried, stop, before I even put the salt to the water. We're going to bring this to a boil, then we'll add our pasta. Now that our salted water is starting to boil, we're going to add 8 ounces of pasta. Now this recipe calls for Copycat pasta. I couldn't find it, so instead I'm using some small shells. Now we're going to let our pasta cook until they're al dente. While the pasta cooks, we're going to make our cheese sauce. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of butter. Now that our butter is melted, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. And we're going to whisk that together. We'll cook this and it becomes light tan in color. Now it's light tan in color, we're going to add 1.5 cups of heavy cream. To a small bowl, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 3/4 cup of milk, and we're going to whisk. We're going to tiny whisk cornstarch and milk together. Now we're going to add the cornstarch milk slurry to the pot. We're going to whisk out any lumps of cornstarch or flour. We're going to add in 5 slices of light American sliced cheese. And we're going to whisk this until the cheese is melted into the milk. We're going to add 8 ounces of sharp cheddar. 8 ounces of sharp white cheddar. We're also going to add in 3/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to whisk this until the cheese is all melted and nice and smooth. So that the cheese is nice and smooth, we're going to cut off the heat and we're going to add our noodles to the cheese. Now that everything's mixed up, it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's a good mac and cheese. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.